Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. It's been a while. It's mid-May. My hockey team's out. Now I can start actually trading again. Anyways, let's take a look at the NASDAQ futures, and we'll go from there. I'm going to take it nice and slow. Haven't traded in a while. Been driving on the road. So let's go look at the news. Move this to the side, and we can go from there. So let's check out if there's any Fed meetings. I don't think there are. We did the May one, so it's already mid-May, so that's not until next month. We'll check the Federal Reserve. Today is the 15th, and nothing. Okay, we'll check the economic calendar. So the 15th. $12:30. Fed barking speech, whatever that is. Interest rates divided to Board of Governors, Federal Reserve Board. Nothing. So there's nothing really happening. And then, let me see, I thought I had 4 up here. Oh no, I just typed in CNBC. CNBC. Boom. Let's check out the news. Says the Fed is done raising rates. Okay, yeah, let's see what happens. So where are we? 0.1, 0.6, 0.2. Very low numbers today. They're creeping up slowly. Talking about debt ceiling. Elections, Vice Media bankruptcy sale. Cost cutting, Amazon focusing on IA to get delivered faster. Ugh. Alrighty, so that's about it for the news. So there's nothing, any huge events. But what I did this morning before I decided to say, I better do a video. If you notice, we are in the buy phase. Let's see how the phase has been working out here. So the buy phase, initial kickoff, fired down. We find the point, fire back up. So it was net positive. Sell phase was holding halfway. It did an inverse. It's been holding for quite a while, actually. You think about 1, 2, almost 3 phases, and she just kind of popped. We are in the buy phase, but it's still grinding its way up. Usually when it grinds, it will crash. So we don't know how much longer it's going to go. It's going to be 1 minute before the open, and then, as you know, right around 13.8 is where an order block is. But what I did is I took the volume point of control. I checked where the high peak is, just to put a rough guess. Maybe if we're lucky we can get 200 points up, but it could actually just do a pullback. We don't know yet. So we'll go to the 15-minute bar. Let's turn this one off. I don't trade on this one. And as you can see, I've been gone. I've been driving for how many days, so I missed all this. So I guess we had some kind of news here. I presume those were probably the Federal Reserve stuff. And then on, looks like Friday, she crashed right on, like I said, foundation line, guys. You can, if you want to be just a 1 or 2 trader, guys, per so many days, follow the foundation line. You know, there she goes. She's ready to pop. Okay, so let's see if we'll break through. If we start breaking through, I might short, and the reason why is I'm looking at another chart right now, and we're just breaking the VWAP. And what does our time scanner say? 9:45 is the sell. We can get down to 13,885. We'll give it 30 more seconds, or a minute more, before I make a decision. I'll let her run. So let's go back to the initial chart here. Yeah, as you can see, look at how much she's just crashing through. We have to go through the market maker. Actually, I should switch this. Yeah, she's popping through, but what we'll do is, while that is grinding up, you can see where all the volume is. So we know the volume point of control is here. Looks like we can go for, there's a dead spot here. Usually can be a bounce or there. Okay, those are the 2 areas we're going to be looking at. If it breaks 14.0, we are going to go for it. How many more seconds? Let's see if we can break through here. It's always that 100 level you have to watch for. 3, 2, 1, sell market. Let's go for it.
Order filled.
Now, hopefully I didn't get a bad bounce here. We're still trying to break through, but I'm going to make a target from... Now they're doing some buys. I should have watched this. Sorry, guys. Put this one back. Wow, what a 12-point bounce back. Give it a few more seconds. If I'm wrong, I'll shut her down. But she'll pop it again. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this as buy something right around there. Yeah, if she breaks my first bar here, I'll shut it down here. Okay, she's going down. There was a lot of buybacks here, so they probably hit the stops. And what we're going to do is, because there's a big major drop, we're going to still keep on playing. We could probably could actually go right down here, but the reason why I'm stopping here is you could, I'll show you what it is. Let's move this across, sorry. Okay, we just broke the VWAP, and we're fighting right now. If she pops back up, then I'll have to worry about it, but I'll let it play for a while on the first initial pop. And right now we have, there's an indicator I have to upload online here. There's more red than green candles, so I'm basing on that, and hopefully the numbers will increase. We'll let them grind away. There's still more sell pressure, so they're going to fight for a while. They're going to punch the volume, and we'll let it really push. And what I'm trying to do, going to try to get to that level of 82. We probably could go to 75. 75 is a psychological number, but we'll give it some time. If I'm wrong, I'll have to shut her down right away here. Looks like volume is dying off here, but we are pushing down. So I'm just going to give it some time. I got really low there. I thought we were going to blast right through. It also hit the top of the trend tracker for the first impulse, so we probably have a continuation going down. We'll let them do some selling. There's a lot of buying and selling volume going on. The initial volume, 9,000, 6,000, 1,000. So let them play for a while. They have to break through. Once they break through, we're going to get a good runner here. But I know we should be able to get to somewhere within this zone here. So let's take a find out where the volume point of control is through this whole zone. Yeah, look at 1381. I'm at 1382.75. So it looks like we can get down there. And we're running currently at around 11 points a minute. So let them just grind, grind, grind. If they keep on breaking down, I might even actually add a contract. It all depends. If we can pass through this one little dead zone here. Because they're fighting away. And what I'm looking for is right here. See these numbers? We had a good bounce back, and this bounce back around 04. See, we're still at 06, so they're still grinding away. We do have a lot of high volume. I'll let them grind through this market maker. I don't like how the candle wicks are, but that's okay. She's fighting through. Once she fights through, we can go for it. And it looks like we can go for it until around 10 o'clock. We'll let them keep on fighting for a while. Yeah, they're holding it down. And where are we right now? Yeah, we're just blasting through the VWAP. And you can see they're trying to pull back up here, but by the time it's all said and done, they're just buying back, and then they're going to go for another wave. And once they go for the second wave, then we should be fine. See a little bit more buying, but there's still, it's just a big good tug of war right now. Right around in about 10 minutes, I think that's where our second impulse move is going to be, right at the 15-minute mark. And we'll know from there, because they're already establishing kind of a zone. And but when she breaks, she breaks, because you can see there was stop volume right at 95 or at the 400 level. And we can go from there. Because they're really pushing aggressively. Now my question is, since the start of the market open, see if I can figure it out here. Where are we? Yeah, see they're holding right at the market open price, so we know that's basically where the volume point of control is there. So technically I could probably put another sell order there if it ever bounces up. But let's see if we can just break through here. It should be breaking through. We're so close. Actually, I should, son of a gun, I should have taken the second trade right now. I missed it. I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at this bar. This bar here was my notification, take second trade. Just watching this volume. Let them keep on playing. I gotta go in about 45 seconds. I'll go for a second round. See if I can get her on the second mark. Where are we here? Up there. Ah, unless I already broke through. There, she broke through. Now let's see if we can get to 85 or 82, and then we're done for today. And she's firing. We're at 3 points, 5 points profit. 694. Another high volume push. Mixed numbers here. It has to get to the volume point of control. Second wave run. This was a rejection volume. I'll get to 82, no problem. Our volume point of control is increased from here, so if I want to put a second sell market order, I can put a second market order at 1408 or 16. I don't think he'll hit 16 now. She's finally broken down. She wants to make some profit for a while. They're just playing. And where are we right now? Yeah, we got some good momentum. And then what I'm looking at, let's go back to this chart here originally. This thing is actually following the pattern perfectly, so we're going to keep on going to the pattern until at least 10 o'clock or to our profit target. And when we're there, it's moving at 14 points a minute, so we'll let them just grind away until we get to our profit target. Okay, good. Volume point of control is dropped here. That means we have more volume here. Where are we right now in time? 30 seconds. Okay. There we go. See how it's the rejection order? But we have to get to 82. More sell blocks. Got 4 more minutes till we get to 82. $88. Yeah, 82. Still a lot of high volume, yellow candles. I could put a sell marker here. Let's see here. We'll see. Still pushing down. $14 maybe. Let's see here. There's our stop volume. Okay, it's going to put a sell marker now.
Order filled.
Well, it only went that many points. That didn't help. I keep on grinding away. Still has a ways to go. There's buying blocks. See, there's a 42 sell block here. And this thing is still pushing down. They're just trying to buy back for volume. That's my marker. Perfect. Now let's push her down. I was going to put a sell limit right on this marker here, because you can see where she's resisting. This is the most dominant trend line right now. So I'm just watching. Mixed reviews. We're at 943. They're just playing games with us right now. So we're back at the VWAP. Because you're going to get down to 82, no problem there. They're just trying to reload up on the initial phase. Now what I can do, sell market rate 4, 3, 2, let them get back there. Nice buyback. Nice buy volume here. Give it a few seconds. Where are we? Green. Oh, 11 to 8. I should have watched that number. That's okay. I'll push it back down. They just had a lot of stop volume in the first one, just to knock everybody's stops out. There she goes. See how she fired right down now? They're just doing a fake out. They're going to go for the second round right away. and then she'll fire down to 82. I could almost take a third bar right away, but I'm not going to yet. How much time do I have left? In about 30 seconds, I would know for sure. We're back at market open price right from the beginning. That's how they whip everybody out. So what they did is they say, let's do the impulse move, let's go back, let's get a better knock off some stops, and let's continue on here. And they'll get to 82 here right away. Let's see, it's a full bar sell bar here, so it's going to do a continuation. But they really went a lot higher than I expected. I thought they were just going to stop right about here and then continue on, but no, they're going to push it down now. She's ready. So we're going to fire at least until let me see here, at least until top of the hour. We'll get down to 82 at least until top of the hour here. There you go. Even if we can get even 10 points now because we got 2 contracts, it would be really nice. So 03 to 94 is still two contracts, or $400. So where are we? Let me just check something here. Yeah, we can get to 92. Perfect. 92. Ooh, I didn't realize that. 88 actually should be our target. Yeah, I think I'll make 88 my target. I just realized something. So 87, 88. That'll be good. Let me just open that up a bit. A little bit further down, right about there. That will be our target. The reason it's a resistance I've noticed from some of my old indicators from way back. That's for the most conservative move. She bluffs down. We can get to 88. So from 03 to 88, 3. Yeah, it will be a good day. Keep on grinding away. A lot of fighting going on today. They haven't actually even broke. Oh yeah, they broke the market maker. There's our 10 points. It needs to break that 91 level. We'll let him play. I know we can break that. It's our second attempt. Some market maker must have some contracts there. You can see there's one wick here, second wick here, third wick here, and then they'll pop it through right away here. They're just breaking through.
Order filled.
And we are done. 1920.
Order filled.
Done and done. we are done for today. That was our third wave. That was a big bounce back. I didn't expect that. I thought it was going to stop right around here. Took the first nice, thought I was going to fire right down. Waited for the pullback, going into the zone of interest, using trend tracker as well. But I was just trying to keep the charts as clean as possible. Now, would it go to my ultimate target in the beginning? The ultimate target would have been at 80. So we were close, so we would still have to be watching slowly but surely. We took a conservative level. The reason why, I'm going to move this marker across, boom. Just looking at here, I said we were below the VWAP. 945 signal did kick in, so it did follow it. Just so it went really deep, which I did not expect. And then with the 915, we were just breaking that. Usually at a 915, it will go back in a couple of times, so that's the first little bounce back. But I had a resistance marker here, and this was a 2-hour pivot, and with a resistance level at the same time. So I said we should be able to get to it, and this was our initial marker at 80. And let's see if we can. If we do hit it, then great. But we wrapped up with today. Let's check here. One flat. $620 today, guys. There you go. Sorry about that. 26 minutes. Watching what was happening, going up and down. So my initial analysis, I wasn't sure if it was going to go up or down. Let's see if here. But we did have a lot of resistance here. See. And we're breaking through quite a few of a whole bunch of order blocks, shorter time frame order blocks. Those are 1 hour, but originally it was yeah, that's the chart I was looking at. But what I'll do, let's move that back. Yeah, see, we're still fighting. See, it's a dead zone for a daily chart, which kind of sucks. And then see, there's also another marker. We're hitting foundation, so you probably can get the fib target too. Watch what happens there and go from there. If you have any questions, what I'm trying to accomplish on this trade chart today. Let me see here. Yeah, I took a. Is that the chart I use? Oh, that was the one I was just showing you guys. It would have been right here. There. What I was trying to accomplish, see, I was trying to keep the screen as clean as possible. We can get rid of this. And what I'll do is I was looking at the, the first minute and a half is so volatile, so you really have to watch. I took a risk, like I said, a risk shot saying it could have blasted down here. We did hit the target at 80, where I was guessing, but I took a little shallow because of the resistant markers. And then we go from there. But what I'll look for is just follow the trend, guys. It's a lot easier to follow the trend, even though this was a really major snapback. Usually this would have been my close on the first one, but I said, okay, I got this. I know she was the push. They're just playing games. And then, because we're right at that 15-minute mark. So in about 5 minutes, what will happen is it'll be top of the hour, and maybe she'll start retracing again for a continuation. But the trend is starting to grow. Other than that, just make sure you pinpoint your trades, guys. You trade safe, and have a great day. Take care. Bye.